Remember when we were kids and we would store money in a piggy bank? Whenever we found loose change, we would put it in a piggy bank and over time it would accumulate into a substantial amount. Jar app works in a similar way. You can save from just 10 rupees and over time it would turn into a really big amount. But the best part is that it is stored in 24 karat gold. Jar app is here to be your companion in this savings journey. So let's understand what it's all about. So why is savings important? We all know the importance of saving, and even though we try to save, we either forget or end up spending so much that saving is impossible. Jar app is the perfect solution for this problem. The app saves automatically for you in 24 karat gold without any effort from your side. You don't have to manually save money every single time. You can just set up an autopay once and you can save daily, weekly or monthly. As the price of gold increases, so does the value of your savings, and you can withdraw it whenever you want. Jar app also has many other such useful features, so let's get into it and start your savings journey. So, how do you get started? I guess you have to download the app first. That's true. I've provided the download link in the description below, or you can get it on Google Play Store or the App Store. But can you trust Jar app? Of course. It's used by over 2 crore plus people. So I'd say it's pretty trustworthy. After downloading, register with your mobile number. The KYC process is fast and secure. It'll just take a few minutes and your Jar account will be ready to go. KYC verification is mandatory if you buy more than 30 grams of gold or 1.5 lakhs worth of gold, if you want to sell your gold and withdraw your money, or if you want your gold delivered to your house. You have 3 savings options: daily savings, weekly savings and monthly savings. For daily savings, you can save anywhere from Rs 10 to Rs 5,000. The amount will be auto-debited and converted into digital gold. Once you set it up, the savings will happen automatically. So how do you make payments? First, select your preferred payment mode: Google Pay, PhonePe or Paytm. And then click Proceed for payment and your money will be saved in gold automatically. You can even change your bank account later if needed. Just set up your autopay, enter your UPI PIN, and that's it. You can save in digital gold daily. But remember, there is a 3% GST applied every time you buy digital gold. There are some more cool features in Jar app, like Refer and Earn. You can invite your friends and family and earn referral bonuses. You can also check your credit score for free, track your loans, and check your credit card details on Jar app. If your CIBIL score is good, you can also get a pre-approved loan from Jar app. If you need to withdraw your saved amount, you have 3 options. Either you sell your gold and get it debited directly into your bank account, or you convert your saved amount into gold coins and gold bars and get it delivered to your house, or you can purchase gold jewelry directly from Jar app through Jar app's own store, Name. Best strategy for gold saving? Well, if you want higher returns, I personally recommend saving in the long term. Gold has historically always increased in value, and you don't have to worry about storage. Your gold is safely stored in jar lockers. But why digital gold? You don't have to worry about storage. You don't have to worry about it being stolen, and you can buy or sell it at any time with ease. Saving should be fun, right? So Jar app has a spin and win feature where you can win extra rewards and coupons. So start saving with just 10 rupees and watch your small savings grow into big wealth with Jar app. Subscribe to Jar app and drop your questions in the comments below. Download Jar app today. What are you waiting for?